headed to Harrah's to find some breakfast. Back at the room now, had 2 good classes. Didn't get to update you after breakfast before I went to them, but one was on VR on a budget, so that gave me some useful tools or equipment to get for VR. May even check out their VR pavilion or whatever it is at the trade show. And then another Photoshop class, which I did get some things from. And so Mom and I are going to go to a show tonight, Penn Teller, who I've never seen. So that should be interesting. And before that, we're going to grab some dinner. But hopefully tonight, if we're out at all, I'll be able to get some nighttime Vegas footage for you, because I haven't gotten that yet. But we'll see how things go. It was a good, fun night seeing Penn Teller. I honestly did not know what to expect because I didn't really know that much about them going into it. But they're definitely entertainers. They do magic tricks, but really it's more of a whole performance and entertaining you the whole time. So we really enjoyed it. And then afterward, they actually wait outside for the audience and take pictures with everybody, which I think is very generous of them, and they have a lot of patience to do that after every show. But I will insert those pictures for you. And now I'm going to get ready to go to bed because I have to get up fairly early for class tomorrow. So I'll see you when I can. Good morning, everyone. I'm ready to conquer the trade show today, as you can see in my outfit. It's not going to be quite as hot today, so I'm wearing pants, sneakers of course, a must, and then just this comfortable top. First I'm headed to get some breakfast, then I have 1 class this morning. Then it's off to the trade show for a while. And Mom will actually be able to join me this year because she got a badge to be able to enter the trade show. And then after doing some things at the trade show, including seeing Kramer, I have another class this afternoon. So it's going to be a packed day, and I'll try to capture as much of it as I can for you, but you know how the crowds get, so could be interesting.
Welcome everyone, my name is Kramer, and today we're going to talk about After Effects. You can get dry ice from like the grocery store, or from the bad part of Las Vegas. That's where we had to get. But he was a trooper and he came back with about 4 pounds. Here, let's set this up real quick. Then we have just a bucket and a web camera. Hey, listen, it was slim pickings in that hotel room, you know? This is all we had. All right, we're gonna pull out some dry ice. It's very dangerous. Don't put the gloves on, that's fine. And let me just show you just a little bit of how this works. All right, here we go. Got the logo here.
Today went really well. I had some really great information-packed classes, got some great information at the Adobe booth as well, saw Kramer present, and completed my mission of getting Scott a t-shirt, which was one of my main goals. So It's been a really good day. Unfortunately, just found out that the show we're supposed to go to tomorrow night got rescheduled to September, so we won't be going to that. But we are headed out tonight to one of my favorite spots, but I haven't been to the Vegas location, and that's the Sugar Factory, because Mom's never been, so she can see what that's like. And it's at the Fashion Show Mall, which I've never been to, so probably we'll check out some of the shops there while we are out. But that's the plan for tonight, and I did not get any nighttime really footage for you yesterday. I'll see if I can get some today. It just depends if we're on the strip or not, but that's the latest. They're playing Beauty and the Beast at Wynn, which makes me super happy.